Hey Google, talk to my gingerbread creator.
Welcome to My Gingerbread Creator. Where do you want to build your gingerbread house?
In the bush.
What kind of house would you like to make?
A rocket ship. A tent. Beach shack. I want to live in that little beach house.
Do you want to add a chimney? What about a shark fin, a unicorn horn, or a moon chimney?
A unicorn horn.
What fun things do you want to do at your gingerbread house?
Fly a UFO. Play cricket.
Who lives at your gingerbread house?
Aliens. A swimmer.
Flour my surface without rolling it. Let's rock and roll now with our royal icing. Follow me for the final touches.
Look, the unicorn horn.
Well done on finishing your gingerbread creations.